Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Embark on a journey of culinary efficiency and style as we delve into the realm of intelligent kitchen organization tips. Our channel is your guide to unlocking the full potential of your kitchen space, offering innovative solutions that blend practicality with a touch of sophistication. Explore a world of ideas on optimizing storage, maximizing counter space, and creating a seamless workflow that enhances your cooking experience. From clever cabinet arrangements to smart storage accessories, our videos provide insightful tips on transforming your kitchen into a well-organized heaven. Discover how to utilize vertical space, implement thoughtful drawer organization, and incorporate multifunctional tools that simplify your daily cooking routine. Our approach goes beyond mere functionality, emphasizing the aesthetics of an organized kitchen that reflects your personal style. Join us in revealing the secrets to an intelligently organized kitchen, where every unstale space, drawer, and kitchen gadget finds its perfect place. Whether you have a compact kitchen or a spacious culinary heaven, our tips cater to diverse spaces and needs. Let us guide you in creating a kitchen that only serves as the heart of your home but also exemplifies the beauty of intelligent organizations. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.